Okay, I'm making gingerbread soap, which I call witch cake. And this is another autumn one. It accelerates, so I'm going to have to do it in 2 parts, I think. I've just poured my lye into my oils, and I just need, here we go, I've got another jug there, so I'm just going to leave that to the side so I can pour off half. So I'm going to do the bottom half cocoa powder and the top half Rassel clay, so it will kind of look like gingerbread. Kind of quick soap to make because of the fragrance oil. It's another grapefruit one. Say no more. It's not too bad, but I have done a water discount again, so I know I've got to move quick. Okay, so I'm going to pour half off. About half. Get my mould ready. Right, sorry if the light keeps going a bit funny. It's outside. It's a strange old day today. We're getting sun and then shade, sun and shade. So cocoa powder, I'm just going to add to the base. Just a bit. I'm going to mix that first slowly. Okay, now I'm going to pour in half of this fragrance oil. And watch it accelerate, trace. Give it like a few seconds to play and then you've got to get it in. So I'm going to pour now. There you go. Now just towards the end it's thickening. So that's, I think, the way to deal with this one is to just, if you're doing 2 different colours or whatever, don't put all the fragrance into one in the batch before you do your colours then. Since it's going wonky, let's make it even more wonky and squid. Oh my god, it's like solid already. So if we do this, we'll get a nice crooked line through the centre, which is what I really like. It's like, feels like fudge, it's gone that hard. So when we do the top, you have to pour it quick and then do the texture top really quick, otherwise that's going to happen again. So let's get our Rassel, or Gasol as it's called on this bag. I don't know why people call it 2 different things. Gasol, Rassel. This is for Mystic Moments in the UK. They're the same as, it's a franchise, the same as New Directions. The lady that owns it owns both. So I just want a little bit of that in there. Put that to the side. Spoon. Fragrance in. Let's get it over the top. Oh. It went into all the little rivets and divots that are left underneath. God, it smells really good. So worth the hassle because the scent is really nice. So this is Grace Fruits gingerbread, or warm gingerbread actually is what it's called. It's very nice indeed. Just give us a couple of seconds and we should be able to get that textured top done, but it's just gonna play me for a minute. Come on. Okay, here we go. Just kind of a textured top. Sorry, it was just playing up a bit. You can go over that again. So, I'll take these gloves and goggles off because it's too hot. Too hot. Okay, now let's get a bit of cocoa on my cocoa spoon. Actually, don't do that on that. Give me that one. Just going to sprinkle just down the side there with some cocoa. There we go. So that's gingerbread done, and we'll be back for the cut on that one as well. So it's hardened up already, so pop it to the side. And I'm going to do the next one. So I don't know what I'm going to do next, let's have a think.